grade 7 HCF. Really, what is the meaning of HCF? H stands for highest, C stands for common, F means, factor, highest common factor. Today I will be teaching you that what is highest common factor. Before starting this part, first of all, you need to recall that what are factors. Really, what are factors? There are two ways of finding, HCF. You could use these two ways to get HCF, highest common factor of given numbers. Considering factors, you are able to consider factors. Considering factors, you are able to get the HCF of given numbers. Considering factors, okay, it's able to consider factors. And also you could consider, you could write given numbers as a product of prime numbers. Writing as a product of prime numbers, you could write given numbers as a product. These are the two ways of finding HCF of given numbers. First thing is considering factors. You could find the HCF of given numbers. First of all, I will teach you that the factors of 12. 12 can be taken 1 into 2, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, 4 times 3, 6 times 2, 12 times 1. These are the ways that you could use to find the factors of 12. Really, the factors of 12 can be taken as, these are the factors of 12. Factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So the factors of 12 we could take as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12. How many factors here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the factors of 12. So considering the factors of a given number, you could find the HCF of numbers. So how do we get the factors? How do we get the HCF of highest common factor of 12 and 8, right? 8 and 12. You are given to find the HCF of 8 and 12. So just recall, what are the factors of 8? 1 into 8, 8. 2 times 4, 8. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 1, 8. These are the factors of 8. What are the factors of 12? 1 into 12, 12. 2 times 6, 12. 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 3, 12. 6 times 2, 12. 12 times 1, 12. So these are the factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So the highest common factor of 8 and 12. 1 is a factor of 8. 1 is a factor of 12. 2 is a factor of 8. 2 is a factor of 12. So highest common factor. When it comes to highest common factor of 8 and 12, you could see highest common factor. So 4 is a factor of 8. 4 is a factor of 12. So, but here we consider the highest common factor of 8 and 12. That is 4. So HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. The answer. But we can take one is a common factor, but 2 is a common factor. Highest common factor is 4 of 8 and 12. So now let's consider this is a way of getting the factors HCF of given numbers considering factors. Think of 16 and 28. 16 and 28. Wait, not 12. I'll give you this one. Then 12 and 24. Let's find the factors of HCF of 12 and 24 considering factors. We could write the factors of 12 that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Let's get the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 times 4, 24. 12 times 2, 24. And also 24 also can be considered here. So just tell me, think of this one. What is the common highest common factor? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, common factor, 4 is a common factor, but highest common factor is here. You could see no. Highest common factor is 12 here. So HCF is 12 here. Now I will take this is the first way of getting the HCF of given numbers considering factors. So I'll teach you the second way, right? The second way is we could write given numbers as a product of prime numbers, right? As a product of prime numbers. The second method as a product of prime numbers, we could write 12 and 24 as a product of prime numbers. It takes prime numbers to write this 12. 12 is divided by 2, which is 6. Again, 2 is a prime number. Then again, 6 can be, 6 is a multiple of 2. So divided by 2, 6 upon 2 is 3. Again, divided by 3. Then 12 equals to, 12 times 3. This no need of getting this one. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3 is 12. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3 is 12. And also we could get the factors of 24 as well. How do we get the factors of 24 here? We could get the factors of 24 as well. How do we get the factors of 24 considering prime numbers? It's able to divide this. 24 is divided by 2 is 12. Then 12 is divided by 2 is 6. Again, this can be divided by 2. 6 upon 2 is 3. 3 upon 3 is 1. So this is written as 24 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now we are able to get the HCF of these numbers, considering these two. It considers this 2 and this 2. One digit is taken here. Instead of this 2 and this 2, 1, 2 is taken. So here 2, then here as well, it does the same thing. 1 digit is taken. Considering these digits, then it takes 1 digit here. This is a way of getting it. Now multiply 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3 is 12. Previously also we got this the HCF of 12 and 24 considering the common factors, writing as common factors, but here we've taken the HCF of 12 and 24, writing given numbers as a product of prime numbers. Okay, I do think that you understood this part properly. If you got an issue, you could comment in the comment section and you could send me a message. I've entered already my WhatsApp number if you got an issue. And also if you are a newcomer to my YouTube channel, you could subscribe the channel so that you can watch and you can gain more knowledge of maths in the near future as well. Okay, thanks a lot.